Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix if your Roblox is crashing. So now the first thing that we'll need to do is to uninstall and reinstall the application. So just tap on the Windows icon and then um, right click your Roblox application, and then you can see the uninstall button. So just tap on it and then download it again to your Microsoft Store. Now, I think the best ways in order to fix the problem is to go to our PC's settings. Okay, so just tap on the Windows icon and then tap on your settings and then tap on the apps. Okay, and then just tap on the advanced app settings. Okay, at the top corner, and then you will be able to see your applications here that is installed in your PC. And then just use the search bar at the top corner and then search for your Roblox application. Then tap on the three dots at the right corner of your screen, and you'll be able to see the advanced option. Then tap on it and then scroll down until you see this informations here. Okay, so if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So just try tapping on the repair so the application will be ran smoothly. Okay, but if this app still isn't working right, you will have to reset the application. Okay, if we don't have any choice. Now, uninstall this app and its settings, your documents will not be affected. So the first step, right, that I have told you is to uninstall the application, and then right after doing those things, you can now play your Roblox application smoothly. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.